Hi guys, this is my Walgreens haul. I got each of the Oral-B products. They're $2.99 each, and when you buy 3, you get a $7 registry reward. I had $3 attached to my card. It did not come off, and I'll explain that in a minute. It was to buy on any Oral-B, this or the toothbrush. It was going to take $3 off if I bought 2. So after the $3, it would have been that I paid $6 and got back 7. So it would have been a dollar moneymaker. I did the Optic White. They are, let's see. I'm trying to find it on here. They're 3 for $12. I had a $5 load coupon. So that meant that I would pay 7 and I would get back 5,000 points, and I did. So I got 5,000 points. I actually got 6,170. So that made them a dollar. Actually, no, that made them $2 for 3. Okay, then I did the Rimmel London. This mascara was on for I'm looking here. Okay, it says primer. Stay Matte Primer is this. It's base, okay? That was $4.19. I used the $2 in-ad coupon in the Walgreens book. I had $2 loaded to my card, which you'll see down here. And that made that 19 cents. The mascara was $5.39. I used the $2 in-ad and the $2 loaded. It was supposed to spend 3, but it didn't, but that's fine. That made that $1.39, okay? My subtotal was $14.55. I used 10,000 points. I paid 6 out of pocket, and they gave me back 10,000 points because my $7 register reward did not print. I was just wanting the 7,000, but they gave me 10,000 points. So with that 10,000 points and the 6,170, that is 16 points, and that's what I paid. So that made my haul completely free, and this is my Walgreens haul.